On the screen now, I have something called a box plot or a box and whisker plot. When you're given a box and whisker plot or box plot, it's very useful in finding the minimum value, the maximum value, the first quartile, the third quartile, and the median. Those are all the 5 pieces of information that are used to construct a box plot or a box and whisker plot. You'll see that on each end there's a dot, then there are 3 vertical lines, and the 3 vertical lines are constructed into a box. The dots on each end represent the minimum value and the maximum value. So this dot over here represents the minimum value of the data. So this box and whisker plot represents some set of data, and the minimum value that dot shows us is 2. This dot shows us that the maximum value in the set of data is 9. This first vertical line shows us the first quartile. So Q1 is 3, the first quartile is 3. This other vertical line shows us that the third quartile, Q3, is 7. And the middle line by the 5 shows us that the median is 5. On the region, you might also be given a set of data points and asked to construct a box and whisker plot or box plot using the set of data. Let's say we're given the numbers 30, 22, 24, 24, 22, 24, 26, 28, 29, 30, 31, 35, 37, and 19. There are 5 pieces of information that we need in order to construct the box plot. We need the minimum value, the maximum value, the first quartile, the third quartile, and the median. So either we could look at the values and find the minimum, the maximum, find the median, find Q1, find Q3. Or else we could have the calculator just calculate all of this for us by pressing Stat, Enter by Edit, and entering all the data points into L1, List 1. So we're just going to quickly type in all the data points. Now we're going to press Stat, right arrow to Calc. We're going to press Enter over 1 var stats for 1 variable statistics. Our list is in L1, though we've entered in all of our data points into L1. Our frequency list, we don't have one. We're going to scroll down to Calculate and press Enter. And now the calculator calculated for us. The minimum is 19. The first quartile, Q1, is 24. The median is 27. Q3, the third quartile, is 30. And the maximum is 37. Now we have all the information that we need to construct the box and whisker plot, and we need to draw a number line. And we're going to number it in the way that we need it. So we need that our minimum value should be at least 19, and our maximum value has to be 37. There's our number line. It's a pretty long number line. And we're going to make a dot by our minimum value, which is 19. And we're going to make a dot by our maximum value, which is 37. We're going to make a line by Q1 and a line by Q3. So Q1 is 24. Q3 is 30. And we're going to make a line by our median, which is 27. Then we're going to connect the 3 lines into a box. We're going to connect the box to the minimum dot, and we're going to connect the box to the maximum dot. And that is how you construct your box and whisker plot. The red dot represents the minimum value. The gray dot represents the maximum value. The line all the way on the left represents Q1. The line on the right represents Q3. And the middle line represents the median.